Acholi ni tuya yo mi na mu la di president ma fu pa lo na lu secretary general garanti ki da ke kamana mi do mu meya mi Kitgum municipality da ho bi ro ba la di meya do
Yeah, Guarotera.
UPC oye! UPC oye! Wakati wa jen mi UPC, kwa ya malo kwa temia la nana.
Temia kwa nana.
UPC oye! UPC oye! The new president of UPC, the new Jimmy Akena, the team Mamegi, down South region, UPC leadership, Dodo, Acholi East, Acholi West. Dodo, Banyoro become the party of ideas. UPC oye! UPC oye! Anya Okwara, Richard Ijara, Ate Mayor Kitgum, Ate Regional Coordinator for Mayors Dodo, Greater North. I have a very strong bond with UPC. Dating to 2006, Karama Mama Maria Obote, Ubiro Kitgum, and I think she's the one who inaugurated me into the UPC fraternity from Goma ground. I did UPC for 10 years, but I sleep a little and joined the NRF. But my marriage with NRM did not last more than 3 months. As I talk now, I'm a free political lancer. I am up for grabs. I am up for grabs. Yeah, your mother, the good president of UPC, we are extremely grateful. This is my first time of meeting the former first son, the president of UPC, at a distance of a stone throw. We are happy under your leadership. UPC is growing from great to greater. I am now very comfortable that the UPC front line in Lao is stable. It is stable, but I think you can maximize that stability and take over the entire Lao sub-region. Thereafter, May you front line here, Acholi, and the entire country is a great welcome to me as a father. And I strongly believe with your wisdom and integrity, God is on your side, the dear President. Are we your name here, member of Parliament? No? Member of Parliament is a very small job. You go for the President of this country. I want to assure you, you are more than competent to handle the dynamics of the presidency of Uganda. Acholi get a lamb company. Ugot Pieni me engage, Lobo Mani. Ugote was a great leader. The late President Ugote was a great leader. In the rank of Kwame Nkrumah, Sekou Toure, Nelson Mandela, you mentioned all those great names. That is the class of Apollo Milton Ugote. Julius Nyerere, you mentioned them. Class alone, not Kitgum. If you did it, what can prevent you from doing it? When you were young, you know, before you can attend well bed on Yamaru. Karachi is Macha, Gospel Lobo. These are our two children. This one not only went to Parliament, he lost by only 2 votes. When you can sit down, when he was fighting, Gimara was not there. This time, if you come, you will win. In the circumstance that I'm not in the race, you will win. I'm going to pay for you again, Jana Poy Madaya Yom got the entire now fraternity. Maybe come another hope to the people of Acholi. We can make it. Ikeli wa hope, pieno duoro pie. Nido menare pelari Acholi. With your coming, the way you engage Tanga Joy, when he attended to love election. We have a goal in the tiger. The way you engaged Professor Daniel Joy, he became a small man. So one of there is hope back in Acholi. And please, for me, one more hope, so that we take over Parliament of this country. Yeah, it is through this Parliament, my appropriation of national cake in a year. We need to take over Parliament of this country. And of course, I take welcome Mayor the City East, my colleague, you are most welcome. Wateki William Abbas. Oh yes. Amalata. Strong political leaders. Amalata Kwene. Yeah man, one of the catches. And then no man on the bed down go down and go back to dinner. He the bed Yamano. Bagwere was on high on UPC. So, Katim don't have a UPC. Also, Wakwera better Ukwera, Wakuni can win. And a boy, under UPC, a strong party, it is a party now setting the political foundation of Uganda. You do including Mulago Hospital Complex, all the best secondary schools in Uganda, all the best hospitals which are still standing in the country, including Kiriandongo Hospital, all these are the brain of UPC. You were excellent, I'm going to